Celebrating Singapore, festivals and their cultural significance. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Singapore, a country that's a melting pot of various cultures. One of the most vibrant ways cultures express themselves is through festivals and celebrations. And in Singapore, these events tell a tale of tradition, diversity, and unity. So, let's explore. Singapore's cultural landscape is a blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and Western influences. These rich traditions ensure that there's almost always a festival or celebration happening somewhere in the country. Celebrations in Singapore are not just about observing old traditions, but they're also about embracing diversity and promoting harmony among different ethnic groups. Chinese New Year, heralding the beginning of the Chinese lunar calendar, it's the most significant celebration for the Chinese community. Streets in Singapore's Chinatown come alive with lion dances, decorations, and a sea of red. Hari Raya Aidilfitri, celebrated by the Malay community, this festival marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Families come together, dressed in their finest, usually in shades of green, to share joy, gratitude, and delicious food. Deepavali, also known as the Festival of Lights, Deepavali is a significant event for the Indian community in Singapore. Little India sparkles with vibrant colors and lights. The festival signifies the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. Christmas. While originating from Western Christian traditions, Christmas in Singapore is a grand affair with the streets lit up, especially in the shopping district of Orchard Road. It's a time of giving, joy, and festive sales. National Day. Celebrated on August 9th, National Day is a celebration of Singapore's independence from Malaysia in 1965. It's marked by a grand parade, performances, and a stunning fireworks display. Singapore Food Festival. For a country known for its cuisine, this festival is all about celebrating the diverse food heritage. Held annually, it features pop-up restaurants, culinary workshops, and lots of mouth-watering dishes. As we conclude our journey through Singapore's festive landscape, it's clear that these celebrations are more than just dates on a calendar. They are a reflection of the country's multicultural fabric, showing us the beauty of unity and diversity. We hope this video brought a piece of Singapore's festive spirit to you. Keep learning, and see you next time.